Hello, today is Tuesday, Feb 21, my 8th day. 8 days after my surgery. And the sutures was removed yesterday. And then, in-injectionan pa ako. Ewan ko kung ano yung injection na yun. Cost me 25,000. Ano pa ba? So, this is it. Magapa din. Pagbabago pa. Parang wala naman. Kung makita ba, I can see still my, dito, dap lines. Yan, oh. Pero hindi na masyadong deep. Tapos dito, oh. Pag nawala yung, para nakikita ko pa rin. Yan, oh. Pag ganun, oh. Pag nawala yung bruise, I don't know paano matatanggal to siguro. Filler. Okay. Till next.